going to show you how much oil we've collected in the UPR dual valve catch can over the time since we installed it. You ready for the Bronco physical? Check this out, guys. Oh, hey guys, we're outside with the Lethal Performance Bronco Raptor. We just got back from an awesome off-road event up at the Old Florida Off-Road Park with a bunch of good friends, including Krista from Buckle Up Buttercup. So the truck is still filthy. Now, I've got this cup in my hand. It's not for my yearly physical. It's actually for the physical on our Bronco Raptor. We're going to show you how much oil we've collected in the UPR dual valve catch can over the time since we installed it. So let's go ahead and check it out. So let's pop the hood to this beast. Now, it's been a few months. We actually installed the UPR dual valve catch can back in mid-November. It is now February 1st, 2023. I have not checked the catch can since we installed it. And actually, since we've installed it, we've put a bunch of miles on it, probably several thousand miles, as well as installed a JB4 tuner on there, running it through all the different maps, doing a whole bunch of dyno testing. So I'm sure there's got to be some oil captured in there. Now, this is the dual valve setup, which works in both vacuum and boost. The most efficient setup that you can get. They also offer a single valve catch can setup, which is easier to install, more plug and play, where this one does take a little more involved install. However, the single valve and both the dual valve work great in capturing that oil mist so it doesn't recirculate through your engine and gunk up your intercooler, your throttle body, and all that other stuff. So let's do this right here. The UPR catch can is actually very easy to service. They've got this cool little screw thing over here, which has a little cable connected to it, which is good so that you don't drop it down into your engine bay. You could drop it all you want. It's not going anywhere. Do have a little washer there. All right, and now we're gonna pop this catch can off of here like this and simply unscrew it, the base of it, which has an O-ring seal on it. Very easy to remove and service. All right, got that there. Now, a lot of people question, is a catch can really worth it? Does it actually capture any oil in it? Some people say, no, you don't need that, anything like that. I personally install catch cans on all my vehicles, especially boosted ones. As soon as we get them, I do know that they work, and really why they don't come from the factory with them is because of emissions and stuff like that. So having an aftermarket upgraded catch can on your vehicle is definitely a plus. So here we have it. We've got the can, and it definitely has a bunch of oil in it. And I'm gonna pour it out in this clear cup for you guys to see exactly how much oil we've captured. You ready for the Bronco physical? Check this out, guys. Do they work? Yeah, they work. Damn! All that oil, mist and gunk and stuff like that normally would recirculate back through your throttle body, your combustion chamber, your intercooler, the whole nine, and instead it gets captured in this can so you can drain it, and there you have it. The UPR catch can for the Bronco Raptor, does it work? Indeed it does. And since I completed dry January with a 100% success rate, it is February 1st, it's time for a drink, let's do it. Woo! Now since we've drained the catch can, we're gonna reinstall it and put the catch can back in place and let it do its thing. There we go. Set it right down there. Put the washer on top. And this, again, genius, guys, genius. You know, they should put these put these things on 10mm sockets. All right, there we go. I'm gonna screw it on. It's gonna hold it in place. We've got the single valve and dual valve catch cans from UPR for the Bronco Raptor up on our site, as well as for the regular Bronco and Bronco Sport and every other application that UPR makes a catch can for here at Lethal Performance. You guys have any questions, reach out to us at 561-753-8105. Mustang King, Bronco King, and I'm out.